Hi guys, welcome back to Candy Wars. Today, this is part 2 of speedrun. Yeah, speedrun. Simon couldn't make it, so I got Leah with us. Hi, my kitty. Yeah, I got Leah with us. So, the speedrun challenge. So we go one at a time in the yellow line. So, yeah, let's start. Line up at yellow line. Line up at yellow line. Over there. So we're gonna line up and we're gonna start the challenge. So before I need to tell Leia some rules. So I'm just gonna tell her we wait for each other. We wait for each other at each level to finish. That's good. I think she'll understand. We wait for. By the way, guys, thank you so much for the 20 subscribers. I love that. Alex and me were partying today. Yep. Okay, three, two, 1. Woo! Ah! She cheated! She cheated! She must die! She must die! She must die! She must die! She cheated! Go! Go! We need a second! No! Alex! Alex! Go! No! Okay, guys. Leia won.
Yes! No, she made it!
Leia won that round?
She's going!
Okay, hold on. Leia, come back. Okay, guys, so this is round 2. So we're waiting for Leia. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Stop!
Oh, hold on, pause. Wait, what? Come back, come back. Leia. When I say go. She's over here! No, dude!
We need to beat it!
Leia! Okay, guys, we'll see you guys when we're at level. So, again, 3, 2. Hey, Alex!
Okay, wait.
1.
No, wait! Not yet!
Leia shall die. She shall die. She cheated.
No!
Leia's been cheating
God.
the whole time. She shall die.
Yeah.
She shall die! You hear that? You shall die.
I see her little legs.
Me too. She shall die. She should die.
She won. She won.
No.
Yeah, she did. She did.
We're never having Leia in this challenge ever again. 20 likes for part 3.
No fair.
Okay, so Leia won again. We know who the winner is. Okay, guys. Yeah. So we'll go.
Wait.
Guys, I'll come back.
Let's do 2 more rounds and done.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys.
2 more rounds.
Unless you come over with Alex.
We actually do.
Okay, guys, I'll come back when Alex is done. Okay, guys, so we're gonna start. So 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Leia, stop cheating! She keeps on cheating. It's when I say go.
I cheated. I cheated.
Y'all
I
shall
must
die.
win.
Oh my gosh.
I must win.
No. No, cheaters don't win.
What? Leia, what the heck?
Ah, Leia's gonna win again. 20 likes part 3. 20 likes part 3.
Yep. Why she is a pro?
Oh my gosh.
We're never
Leia,
having
you know what?
Leia.
We're gonna cheat this
We're
time.
never having Leia in these
Alex and
challenges.
you're gonna cheat this time.
Yeah.
Leia's gonna count down and we're gonna go when she says 1.
No, I'm gonna go when she says 3.
No. No, we're not
No,
gonna cheat.
I am. That's my goal.
Okay, guys, we'll come back when Alex is back. What? Guys, come back! Come back! Come back! Okay. Okay, Leia's gonna do it now. Okay. Countdown, Leia. Okay, Leia's gonna do it this time, and we're gonna cheat. Actually, I don't want to cheat, but I know Leia's gonna cheat. 3, 2, go! What? I hate them. I hate them. I hate both of you for cheating. When she said go, she was already going. Leia's gonna win. They already won. She's winning like every single round.
Oh, the yellow thing doesn't work. I glitched.
Alex is glitching. Alex is dead. Is Leia past it already?
Yeah.
She passed it? No, Leia, we're done with you. If you're watching this, you will, but if you're watching this, we're done. We will never do a
Video with Leia.
No, it's speed run, like never.
Yeah, never. She's so pro.
Okay, so Leia's winning a lot. Leia's winning. Guys, we'll come back when Alex is beat. Yeah.
I need a win. Not yet, guys.
You cheated! You pushed me! Penguins, kill her! Penguins, attention! Penguins, begin! Penguins, kill her! Penguins, kill her! Penguins! Penguins, you guys have betrayed me. Penguins are my favorite animals. They have betrayed me right now. I hate you, penguins. You'll get back for this. I will kill the penguins.
I'm in level 6. Level 7, I mean.
Leia said she's a ruler of the penguins.
Oh!
No, you're not. No, you're not. Alex, come back!
I'm fine. Hey!
Leia, come back! Okay, guys, we'll come back when we're in the. Okay, guys, so we so we finally made it here to level 9.
Yeah?
So yeah, we're gonna stop. So okay. 3, 2, 1, go!
No!
Leia's gonna lose this.
I'm not losing.
For her, always going when I said 1. And I said 1 go at the same time.
Oh my gosh!
Okay, guys, everybody come back. Leia, something didn't work for Leia.
What?
So 3, 2, 1 go. 1 go. Alessio. Alex!
What?
You cheated.
I don't care. Cheaters will die. Not human.
Okay, come back.
Why?
Thing. Stop being thing. Three, 2. Hold on. 3, 2. 3, 2. Die. They shall die. I didn't even finish counting. How dare you? No, I'm done. No. Y'all shall die. It's my turn to be victorious.
Me too.
I wanna be the victorious person. I don't even know if that's a song. I just made it up. No! I'm done.
Oh, I'm done. If I die one more time, I'm quitting. Yeah.
Alex was raging.
I disconnect if I die one more.
Alex was raging really bad. It's like a poop level. LOL. Ew! No! No! Wait a
There's a
second.
brownie level there is a brownie level getting burnt by lava. No!
So Leia's gonna. Did you make it? Did you make it?
Of course she made it.
Yeah, she made it. So Leia won that round?
Yep.
Yeah.
Let's go all the way to level 20.
No, this is actually the last one.
What?
Yep.
No, level 10.
No,
Level 10.
this is... This is actually the last one, sorry. Okay guys, we'll come back when we're done with this. Okay, bye guys! Thanks you so much for watching. Thanks for watching.
Yeah!
Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you won't miss any of our videos. Bye guys!
Bye! Fell into the lava!
The lava! Okay, bye guys!